a possible petrified wood animal carving of a large bird's head in the oval outline from a steep house-like roof on a barge-like hull, possible Noah's Ark, by Ronald Stewart. Copyright Ronald Stewart, 2003 to 2018, all rights reserved. Then in the oval outline, that is the profile looking to the right of a large bird's head. That is about 2 to 2.5 feet long, about a foot high, and the eyes are probably about 6 inches long as well. Now we see that in the oval outline above, but we see an illustration of it on the bottom in like manner. Now we're going to show more about these beams and about this large bird's head, which had a wingspan of about 25 feet. Now more as follows. Okay, we see petrified wood beam number 1. Right there, where the little hand is moving back and forth. There's the beam, there's the joint between the beam there. It probably has a bitumen in it. And right here is petrified wood beam number 2. And right there, as we see the hand moving back and forth. Right there, and right there is the joint down there of the second beam. Okay, here we see the outline, red oval outline, and within is the large bird's head as if looking to the right, at a little bit of an angle. Maybe 4,400 years old. This bird may have had a wingspan up to 25 feet. That was one of the animals in Noah's Ark. We can see there, there's the eye right there, the pupil, right there, the little hand showing. There would be the open mouth right there. It's kind of jagged. And here's the beak right there, and it comes down at a real sharp curve right there where the hand is showing. Right there, back around, all the way back down to the neck, right there again as well. Okay, now what we're next going to take a look at, as far as this is concerned, is we're going to take a look at the illustration. Now here we see the bird head on top. The illustration below is a visual aid to compare with the large possible carved bird head at the top in the red oval outline to give a better idea what it looks like. Right here, where the hand is going round and round. Again, as well. We want to remind about the strong copyright that we have, Ronald Stewart, 2003-2018, all rights reserved, which we strictly enforce. Seen at the bottom left corner. However, in conclusion, we next see here the oval outline is the bird's head inside. We thank you for watching.